In this video, we're going to show you how to install the exhaust variable valve timing solenoid on your Hyundai Elantra located on the backside of your engine. Now with the hood open, we want to go ahead and remove our engine cover here. You're going to gently grab the corners. Lift up. When you pull this up, you have these sockets right here, the rubber sockets that you're pulling off of the metal studs. Go ahead and set that aside. Now on the back side of the engine, just to the side of the exhaust manifold here, you're going to locate the exhaust VVT solenoid. Now there's a 10mm bolt right down along here that we're going to go ahead, loosen and remove, but we're going to first start by disconnecting the connector here. Lift up gently on this little tab and pop that little harness off like so. Now I'm going to use a shallow 10mm socket and a short extension to go ahead and get in there. Now I am using a swivel head ratchet. Go ahead and break that free. We are going to be reusing this bolt, so be sure not to lose it. Might be easier just to get that loose and then get your hand in there and remove it. That way there it doesn't get too loose, and then you drop it down and lose it in that lower shield. There it is. Now in some cases you can go ahead and just twist that around and pop it out. I'm going to be a little persuasive with that, pulling that out. Now you're probably going to lose a little bit of engine oil here. So grab that, twist it up, and bring that up and out. I'm just going to use a rag and just kind of clean up around there. Now we went ahead and we coated our new VVT solenoid in engine oil here. I'll go ahead and line that up. Now you are working blind. Go ahead and work that in. Simply line up that bracket. Now you're going to hear it and feel it pop into place. Putting oil on it does help get it lined up and popped in there. Now with this in place, we'll go ahead and get that bolt started. I'm going to go ahead and thread that in as far as I can by hand. And now we're going to go ahead and put our ratchet on there and go ahead and snug that down. Now once that bottom's out, just give it a hair bit more. Just want to make sure that's snug. Next thing you want to do, go ahead and grab that connector, line that up, and push that on. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a rag and just wipe off any residual oil that might be on that sensor or around it. Now at this point here, if you had a check engine light, you want to go ahead and clear those codes using your scan tool. Don't forget to install your engine cover, and then you can go for a road test. Install the engine cover, placing the ball studs in each of the rubber grommets. Normally you can locate the two rubber grommets on the front with your hands. Lower it down. Once you line them up, press them down, and then the two back ones will automatically line up. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.